students asked to evaluate their own output using a scoring rubric is a blank assessment. Letter A, summative. Letter B, formative. Letter C, peer. Or letter D, self. What is our choice? Students asked to evaluate their own output, yung sarili nilang gawa. Sila mismo yung mag-i-evaluate. And so this is letter D. Okay? So letter D po ito, self-assessment. Alright? So self-assessment, ang ating pong hinahanap, not summative, formative, or peer. No? Kapag sinabi mong peer, ina-assess po ng iyong kaklase, ina-assess ng different, no, ng other student. That's peer. Now, kapag summative assessment po, this is done after instruction. No? Ito yung mga malalaki nating test, yung ating quarter test, periodical test, unit test, summative assessment po yan. Yung purpose po niya is to measure the quality and quantity of teaching and learning. No? Assessment of learning, yung ating summative assessment. Ang formative assessment po is assessment for learning. Yung mga quizzes natin, yung mga question and answers, no? This will be your formative assessment. Ginagawa during instruction para ma-measure po natin yung understanding ng ating pong mga estudyante.